Hello everyone, this is Teacher J. Excel in PSLE Math question number 78. There are 5 red t-shirts, 6 black t-shirts, and 7 white t-shirts in the drawer. If I close my eyes, and how many t-shirts must I take from the drawer to be sure of taking a red t-shirt?在我们的抽屉里边有5件红的 T 恤、6件黑色的 T 恤和7件白色的 T 恤。那么如果说我关上我的眼睛，也就是说我拿出这些 T 恤是 by chance 啊，就是 by luck。How many T-shirts must I take from the drawer？ 我要从我的抽屉里边拿出多少件 T 恤 ？To be sure。才能够保证拿出一件红色的 T 恤呢？这是一个 Math Olympia question, and the requirement is that we get at least one, all right? At least one red T-shirt, all right? At least, get at least one. So we need to consider the worst case scenario, that is, what happens in the worst case of luck. 我们必须去考虑的是最差的情况，也就是我们运气最不好的情况。And the worst case scenario is take out all the other colors of t-shirts before taking out the first red t-shirt.Other colors are here. So, 我们最差的情况是我们把所有其他颜色的 T 恤一件一件的闭着眼睛都拿出来了，然后呢，等把其他的颜色的 T 恤全都拿完了，然后才下一件拿到的，那肯定就是红色的 T 恤了，对吗？我们把白色的、黑色的 T 恤全部都一件一件闭着眼睛拿完了。那么这就是我们的这一道题。Okay, I repeat again. The requirement is that we get at least one T-shirt here, one red T-shirt here. So we must consider the worst scenario, which is what happened in the worst luck. All right, and the worst case scenario is take out all the other color T-shirts before taking out the first red colored T-shirt. So the worst scenario, we take out 6 and 7, which are black t-shirts and white t-shirts. And the next one, we take out one more. And at this time, this one is the red t-shirt, confirm. All right? So 6 plus 7 plus 1, 14. The answer is here. Here is 14.All right， 想清楚，是我们看到的是最差情况，那么我们不去考虑最好的情况，我们这里是要 to be sure 啊 ，to be sure the worst scenario. All right, and that is all for this question. This is Teacher J. Bye bye.